Hey there. If your App Store search isn't working on your iPhone after an update, don't worry, I'm here to help you out. This kind of issue can pop up due to iOS bugs, connectivity problems, or settings issues. Here's a step-by-step guide to get sorted. Solution 1. Restart the App Store. Open the app switcher, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, or double-click the home button if you have one. Swipe up on the App Store, close the App Store by swiping it up. After that, restart your iPhone. Reopen the App Store, launch the App Store again, and see if the search function is working. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable. You can check your connectivity speed from your browser. If it's low, try toggling between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if it improves the situation. Solution 3. Clear App Store cache. To do this, open Settings, then scroll down and tap App Store. Next, tap Personalized Recommendations. Next, tap Clear App Usage Data. Just clear out the cache file to refresh the App Store. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. Install available updates. If there's an update available, tap Download and Install. Solution 5. Reset Network Settings. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, cellular settings, and VPN configurations. Following these steps should help you fix the App Store search issues on your iPhone after an update. If this guide was helpful, drop a comment below and let me know how it worked out for you.